Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. This is my first video based on any job description. Hope you will like it and please reckon what amendments I can do, or do you want any series of these job descriptions for any particular exam. So now what we are going to cover in this video is for Airport Authority of India. Air Traffic Controller Operations Junior Executive. So as you are aware that the exam for Airport Authority of India is going to be held on 26th of March, 25th, 26th of March. So based on where your center will lie. So based on that, I would like to cover in this video what is the syllabus, what is the distribution of marks, which I have taken from the AAI website itself. Okay, so if you see here, what is given to you is this will be this is going to be an objective type paper which will consist of 120 MCQs, and those MCQs for 1 mark each. This question paper is divided into these 5 sections. One for general English, then general knowledge, general intelligence, general aptitude, and discipline related. Major topic, major marks are for this, and rest 50% is divided into these 4 sections equally. So what do you mean by, so this is the section A, and then discipline related it's section B. So that means you can say 50% paper is divided into general aptitude, and then 50% for the marks, and for the subjects, for the discipline where you are applying. Let's say you are applying for a technical post or fire serviceman or operations or air traffic controller. So this depends on that. So let's begin with the operations junior executive. Okay, here you can see that part A has a weightage of 50%, which will be having these things: general knowledge, general English, quant, reasoning, and then 50% is based on the subjects. Subjects, let's say we are discussing here airport operations. So what subjects do you have? Let's see. Here, 20% part of your main paper is will be having abbreviations of these airport definition. I mean, what type of knowledge you are having? Do you have any knowledge of airport definition like runway, taxiway, apron, parking stand, and so on? Domestic and international airlines operations, do you have knowledge of that? Some questions you will see from there also. Then basic knowledge of airport operations, then basic knowledge of passenger journey, and the functioning of security and airport rescue and firefighting, aircraft manufacturing companies, government policies on aviation, then basic knowledge of aerodynamics, knowledge of some of the operators and regulatory organizations in aviation, then different categories of aircraft, international and domestic airports and their names, then aviation meteorology like fog, mist, haze, and all. Then basic knowledge on role and function of agencies working at airport, and some knowledge related with aviation. So this part is basically because you are applying for the post at Airport Authority of India. So of course you should know all these things, right? And then part B will be based on what you have got in terms of subjects like physics, maths, and business management. So that too is divided into 40% physics, 40% maths, equal weightage, and then 20% of business management. Okay, so 80, 20. This will be from 50% of part B, subject related, and this is also discipline related. So this whole will be from 60 marks. Okay, 20% of 60 marks, and then rest of 60 marks, and rest you have seen in the part A. So I hope you have liked it, and if so, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you want to make videos on these topics, then please let me know. I'll start making a series up till 26, right? So thank you so much. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye.